casa, tu vida.
¿No crees que ya es hora de renovarla? Cambia tu casa, renueva tu vida.
Big cities are where contrasts meet. Different cultures, different tastes, different lifestyles. Where there's room for individual expression. Great design knows no borders. Whether you visit Book Concept in New York or any other city of the world, you have a choice. So you can have it exactly as you wish. But some things never change. The basic need to feel at home is just as important in Shanghai as in any other part of the world. So no matter where in the world your home is, a home has to feel like home. It has to look good in your eyes and work in your life. This is the essence of Book Concept, as it has been from the beginning of our journey and still will be in the future, so that you can tell your own story in your own home. Book Concept, urban Danish design since 1952.
Llegó la nueva temporada a Casa Ideas. Ven y descúbrela. Casa Ideas. Diseña tu casa, idea tu vida.
Porque te gusta sentir cada uno de tus espacios, toca, vive e inspírate en Homey. Diseño para todos.